Welcome to Burncoose Nurseries. Today I'm going to show you how you can protect your banana plant in the winter. Here we have a Musa Bazjou. It's grown in amongst a load of shrubs, and usually we don't really do much to protect it over winter, to be honest, because we grow it, we live in Cornwall and the climate is very mild here, and it's got this extra frost protection from the shrubs. But for the demonstration, and because obviously a number of our customers live further up country, this will be a task that you'll have to carry out if you want your banana to come back in the spring. So what you do is, these sort of fallen, all of the leaves in fact, you cut back. It's really easy to cut. Even if they're green, cut them back, because what you want to be left with, sorry, is just a stump. Once you've cut the leaves off, you're going to be left with just a trunk like this. And this is the part that you want to protect, because this is where all of the growing happens. Now, to do that, you can just pick yourself up some horticultural fleece. And wrap, you want to go from the top, folding it over, and just wrap it round. And this will just keep it that that couple of degrees warmer, and it will just keep the frost off the plant. Because basically what happens is, when it freezes, the water inside the plant expands and it breaks the cells, and that's why frosted plants go all mushy, because the structure inside the plant has become broken and therefore it cannot grow anymore. So you go from the top all the way to the bottom, wrapping it up, and then just get yourself some twine, nice sharpish set of secateurs. And just tie it round. If you are living in a place, maybe sort of in Yorkshire or further up north, and you get really severe frosts and severe winters, you can do this. Then you can get some chicken wire, wrap it round, and then you can fill the space between this and the chicken wire with straw, and that looks really quite lovely anyway, because it's natural looking, but that will just give it that extra layer of insulation. So there we are.